this video in which we will see how you create a table that will contain all the meshes and then a subfolder inside this table which will better organize the meshes that you have created in your model. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Power BI Studio. So without any delay, let's get started. In our global Superstore sales summary dashboard, we have integrated visuals illustrating month over month growth of all the KPIs. The negative growth percentages are highlighted in red, as you can see. To showcase this growth, we have generated various measures in the model which are sorted alphabetically by default. In order to organize all these measures, firstly let's create a table that will contain all our measures. Click on enter data to create a dummy table. Let's name it as my measures and click on load. So this will now create a table with a dummy column in it as a column 1. Now let's say we want to relocate the average order value measure to the measures table. We can go to the home table and change the measure to my measures. Having done that, to position this table at the top, delete the dummy column from the my measures. So once we do that, we can notice that my measure table has ascended to the top and the logo of the measures table has also been changed. So now manually moving each measure individually can be time consuming. So to streamline the process, navigate to model view. In the table where you have created your measures, you can click on more options, then select measures. This action will choose all measures under this orders table. Now go to properties and change the home table to my measures. With all measures now consolidated within this table, let's take it a step further and create a subfolder for better organization. Select all the performance indicator measures by holding the control button, and we can change the display folder name. So the option that you see on the properties table, we can name as KPI. So upon pressing enter, the selected measures will neatly move into this particular newly created folder. Likewise, we can now select all the growth measures and we can now rename this particular display folder as growth, so that all the growth measures go into this particular folder. Hit enter and this has all the growth measures moved into this subfolder. And finally, for the remaining growth color measures, select all of them and change the folder name to we can keep growth color. So this particular subfolder is going to contain all the growth color measures that we have created. Now switching back to the report view, we can see that in my measures table, you will notice that all the subfolders neatly contain individual measures, all correctly positioned under my measures. So by this way, you can navigate to any measures you have created and make any changes in the formula if required.